Daddy and baby.
What three? Where are you going?
Whoop. Okay, go play with Daddy. Tickle, 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 tickle. He's a little bit on the hyper side tonight, ain't he?
A little bit.
Being a kid.
Feeling good, having fun.
Good job. Wow.
Good job, Joshua.
Nobody's going that way. Oh, nobody's that way. There you go. He could play several games now, can he?
Mm-hmm. Get back over there. Ah! Give us some blood. Got me belly. Got me baby belly. Ow. Let's not play. Let's find what's in Daddy's nose.
You're just a bubble of energy, Joshua. Where are you going?
Grab Daddy's teeth.
No, no, no. No, let go. Let go. Let go. Let go, Joshua. No, let go. Come on, down.
You grab my glasses?
Yes, he did. I got him.
Ow!
Joshua did it. Okay. Roll it to Daddy. There you go. Joshua will be 11.5 months tomorrow. Two weeks away from a year old. Right now he's the fun age. You know it. Wow, he's good at that. He is good. He's got a good arm. Good coordination, too. Good job, Joshua. Gonna kick it with your foot. That works. That's cool. Ugh.
I'm gonna try to kick the gate down.
No, he can't. He's already, he can't get it down the way I got it. I got it in the door frame, so he can't knock it over. Score! Like it looks like a soccer ring.
Ow.
Oops, sorry.